this is an email song. Boop. Dear Cat Noir, do you ever get tired of having the same look all the time? Is it time for a new look? From Darius K. What are you suggesting, Darius? Huh? That I don't look cool anymore? That I'm losing the youth vote? You think my content here is for kids? Because it's not. Look at this beard. Look, I grew this out specifically so I could appeal to a new audience. All right? Listen, I'm all kinds of cool and my look is timeless. All right? Cat ears, pointy hair. I'm a con-goer's fantasy. But I guess I can understand how it's not an everyday kind of look. Definitely not interview worthy. I guess I could change it up a bit. A new cat for a new occasion. This is a big change though, and I'm gonna need the help of some experts.
I'm Ladybug.
And I'm Rena Rouge.
When we're not out fighting crime, we travel around Paris, turning schlubby losers into hot ticket items.
With our makeup prowess, we turn dogs into dimes, zeros into heroes, and together we are the Fashionistas.
Today we're here to meet Cat Noir.
He's tired of his blasé appearance, and honestly, so are we.
So we're gonna turn drab into fab.
Oh, hey girls.
This must be him.
What?
Cat Noir, we presume.
Yes.
Only someone this basic could possibly need our help.
What? Well, you guys live here. I don't know why you're acting.
From here on out, we're going to be your eyes and ears. So just sit back, relax, as the Fashionistas make you over.
What is happening right now? What the?
Come on now.
What?
Kitty cat, you've been off your leash for way too long.
But fear not, because we're gonna tame that mane.
What? But I like my hair.
And down you go.
How about some of this?
Don't forget some of these. Looking sharp, kitty cat.
Meow.
What the? Ah! What did you do to me?
You know what, Ladybug? I think he's right. We can do even better. Way ahead of you.
No, stop!
And you're looking so beautiful.
You're almost done.
Ooh, trendy.
Ooh, how about
Just a little bit more right.
and finishing it off. Done. Now that is a look.
I hate it!
But we love it.
And this show is all about your adoring people.
What? But I don't even...
Oh, don't pout, kitty cat. Because once you see your new wardrobe, the whole look's gonna come together.
What? Listen, that's great, but I think I would rather...
Next up, fashion!
Hey, if you've made it this far, you might as well like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Heck, leave a comment if you'd like.
And if you like our channel so much, you should consider getting a channel membership. With a channel membership, you get all sorts of awesome perks and opportunities that not everyone else gets. Click on this card to learn more, or mash that join button down below. And if you love the Miracu-League, you should check us out on FIREWORK. It's an awesome new app that we upload to all the time. We're going to be uploading exclusive Miracu-League content, including never-before-seen shots and bloopers, so you should join us on FIREWORK at Nobody Special Cosplay, where we will be waiting for you. We'll put a link below so you can download the app today.
Are you ready for a new you?
What? Do I have a choice?
That's the spirit. Deep breath.
Deeper. What?
Ooh, classy but casual. It's totally you.
I cannot be seen like this.
Right.
Oh no, we can do better.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh, fabulous.
No! This is way too short.
Ooh, how about...
No, 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 no. Oh!
Ladybug, I think we've done it.
It is a true work of art.
Unless, of course, you want us to try again.
What? No, 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 no. This is fantastic. I look great. Thank you, Rena and Ladybug. Thank you so much. I'm just gonna.
Oh, Rena, I think we made history today.
That's what we do best. We take a flop and bring him out on top. But that's just the name of the game for the Fashionistas.
Don't ever email me again.